What's up everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video. I am so excited and super happy to have you guys here. So if you're watching today's video, kindly consider liking, sharing and subscribing. And on today's video, I'm going to share with you this amazing pineapple juice recipe. Actually, it's pineapple and rice. I know it sounds a little bit weird, but I know that you guys are really going to love this recipe in case you get a chance to try it out. So first and foremost, we're going to start off with washing our pineapple, because we're going to be using the peels from the pineapple and we're going to be using the peels from the whole pineapple. So make sure that you give it a good scrub and just make sure that it's nice and clean. The next thing we're going to do is to wash this small piece of ginger. You can actually, this is quite optional, it's not a must, but if you love the taste of ginger in your juice, then you're going to use just a small piece. Also, it depends on how much you love ginger. If you love a lot, you're gonna add a lot, but if you love just a little bit of it, you're going to add a little bit of it. So next we're going to take off the crown, and then we're just going to go ahead and peel our pineapple, because we're going to use the peel and not the flesh of the pineapple. So once we finish peeling the pineapple, we're gonna set the peels aside, and then the flesh, we're just gonna store it in the fridge for later use. So next you're gonna go ahead and chop your ginger up, because when you're blending you don't want it to take too long to blend, so you're just gonna cut it into tiny pieces. And then you're also going to set the ginger pieces aside. Next, you're going to take a clean pot or a saucepan, and then you're going to add your pineapple peels. Just place them in there nicely, and then you're going to add in 1 cup of rice. Next, just go ahead and add in enough water to cover the rice and the pineapple peel. So you're gonna go ahead and place this on fire and just allow this to cook for 20 minutes or until the rice is nicely cooked. As you can see guys, our rice is ready and they look soft, so we're gonna take it out of the fire. Next is to place the boiled pineapple peel and the rice into your blender. Then you're going to blend your mixture until it's nice and soft, or you can do this for just 1 minute. So guys, if you're enjoying the video, kindly go ahead and give it a like. This is going to help our channel to grow. So I added in about a 1/4 cup of water just to make it more lighter, because it was too thick and it would interfere with the whole sieving process. I also went ahead and added in my ginger pieces. So we're gonna go ahead and continue blending this for another 1 minute, and then you're done. So after blending, you're going to go ahead and pour this into a sieve and just sieve the mixture. Kindly let me know in the comments if you're enjoying the video today and where you're watching this video from. So after sieving, we're going to go ahead and add in about 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Then just stir your mixture until everything is nicely combined. So after sieving, take a part of this mixture and put it in the blender. So next you're going to add in half a cup of sugar, and then I also added in about half a teaspoon of cinnamon. You can do more if you're a cinnamon lover, and then you're just going to beat this until everything is nicely dissolved. Next, you're going to combine this mixture with the rest of the mixture that we had set aside, and then you're just going to stir it until everything is fully combined. So once you're done mixing, you can go ahead and refrigerate your mixture in the fridge for like 12 hours or until it's chilled to your liking. So once you've chilled your drink, you're going to go ahead and serve this. And I know that you guys are really going to enjoy this. At first, I was a little bit hesitant about trying out this recipe, but let me tell you guys, this is really amazing. Please try it out and let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this video. If you tried it out, let me know how yours came out, guys. I'm so grateful that I got to share with you this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope that I will see you on my next video. Goodbye for now.